all new Toyota Hilux.
They haven't updated this in like 12 years.
10 years, yep. A whole decade.
That's pretty cool.
A lot of people don't like it. I think it looks pretty cool.
It's weird because the side still looks like the old Hilux.
It's a very significant change since the last one that came out 10 years ago. So this is the 9th gen. They're considering a new generation. 9th generation, new exterior styling, all new interior. It still remains body on frame. They standardized the double cab for the European market, so you can't get like a single cab there. Other markets will get both double and single cab. The powertrain updates are the biggest thing. That's really what made the headlines. Not just like, oh, there's a new Hilux. It's really the powertrain that is what's making the rounds in the news. It does get the carryover 2.7 liter gasoline engine. It also gets a 2.8 liter diesel engine. And you could, and this will come later, you can option it with a diesel plus a 48 volt motor generator with a small lithium-ion battery. The gas and diesel will be available starting next month, and the hybrid will be available spring of next year. But the biggest thing, a hydrogen fuel cell version of this by 2028. If it were anyone else, I'd be more skeptical. But Toyota actually has some hydrogen fuel cell cars.
Yes, and they sell approximately 5 of them a year in Southern California.
But they have them. If it were anyone else, I would roll my eyes.
Do you know how many hydrogen fuel cell stations there are in California, in the whole state?
Like a dozen.
If that.
Speaking of drivetrains, they are also introducing a fully electric version of the Hilux.